How to get a message ID on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's open up the Discord application. Make sure that you have an updated version of the application. Also make sure that you have logged into your account. Then what you need to do is just go to your use section at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. Then on the search bar, you can just search for advanced, and here you can see the option of developer mode. So just make sure that you have toggled it on. Right now you can see it's toggled on. After that, go back and then tap on any of the person. Now if you want to get a message ID, what you have to do is just tap on the person, then scroll down and you can see the option of copy message ID, and this is how you can get a message ID on Discord. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.